sir.
All right, so we got Blake and I. We're at the Salt Lake Airport on the jetway. We're going to show you how easy it is to get a price quote. We may be going to be getting on the plane. We'll have to see. So we're going to go to, let's see, bottom right we have, we're getting on the plane. Bottom right we have the internet browser. So we're going to go to, I kind of cheated, but we're going to go to merit3d.com. We're going to go to instant quote. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we're going to go to instant quote at the very bottom. And right here, we're going to browse for a part. We're going to choose a file right here. This file, we're going to choose the hanger part 2. It's going to ask if it's millimeters or if it's ITAR. This is millimeters, so we're going to say okay. And here instantly, you will see that your part shows up on your screen. You could say, okay, this is a medical grade part. You're gonna click medical grade, and it's gonna give you your options here for your materials. So you're gonna choose the Loctite one. We're gonna hit okay, and it's gonna ask you for your support and order quantity. We're gonna say this piece is gonna be 5,000 pieces. Project description is medical. We're gonna submit. You can see instantly that at the top, you have all your pricing from 1 for $44. If you want a prototype, then it's prototype pricing. If you want mass production, 5,000 pieces is going to be $1.05. If you want 50,000 pieces, it's going to be 7 cents or 70 cents. But if you're like, hey, it's not a medical, I don't need medical, I actually want the cheapest possible. So you're going to come here, you're going to move your slider down to the cheapest possible. And it's going to display the materials. Oh, it's the photocentric UV basic. I'm going to click yes, I want that. And update estimate. And then you will see that instantly at the top, you can get it for 39 cents if I want 5,000 pieces, or even 50,000. That's your chair?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's literally how easy it is to get an instant quote on our quoting tool online. So hope you're having a great day. We will talk to you later.